Hi everyone, my name is Pawan Jakad and I'm an international student of ATMC Sydney, Federation University, Australia. This video presentation is part of our project Sprint2. Please let me share my screen with you to share our project's details. Our project name is Toastmaster Membership Monitoring Planning and Communication Tool. My team members are Navdeep Kaur, Devinderdeep Kaur Sidhu. These are the outlines of the project. Sprint 2, sprint design, acceptance criteria, sprint achievements, team performance details, system demonstration, peer feedback, my contribution, backlog, and future work. And Sprint 2, it was started on 11th of May and ended on 24th of May. Its objectives were design interface to create an event by management team of the TLA, design interface to add tasks within an event, add deadline and associated users, add facility in the application to update calendar based on the timing of the event, design interface by which the user can provide an update for the task. Our acceptance criteria are there must be a graphical user interface based dashboard for manager which should provide for following features: facility to post a new event with image and text, facility to define new tasks for members of the TLA, facility to define deadline of the task and monitoring progress of the task, facility to view on task and post in on dashboard. The system must offer separate dashboard for team members to the TLA. The member dashboard will provide following features: view latest event post from the manager of the TLA, view the task on which a member is associated, facility to update progress of the task from the task list. So these are the achievements of our Sprint 2. Fully functional dashboard were created for existing user role based pages which were created in the last sprint. Database model has been updated to hold data generated from the event post and work assignment. These data are versatile in nature as text, text, number, images, etc. Define proper data retrieval scheme for the web pages so it could load the system state from the database. Implementation of all the user stories defined under Sprint 2 using PHP, JavaScript, and MySQL. Learning PHP unit for automated testing of the module. We will test all the PHP codes using this tool during Sprint 3. This is a screenshot of our home page, our website. So where manager dashboard with add post and add task facilities are there. And so in user interface for members of the TLA, this is the screenshot of a username named Pawan, where task progress is can be shown and updated, and to-do lists are there. We have included two titles only just for demonstration. So these are the current events which we have used for demonstration purpose. So this is a view of a post. So view of any task details. So for a paired review, web pages are with white background must be replaced with suitable color. This will help to improve user experience during event position posting. There must be provision of posting multiple images. In graphical user interface design, there must be hyperlink with index page with the website logo. As part of my individual contribution, as a project team leader, I have performed all the project management related activities. I've updated the Gantt chart. I've conducted team meetings, documentation processes. I've worked for risk review, uh, up to sprint to development team haven't encountered any major risks. Possibility of the project risk is very high as in this phase of development team supposed to integrate external applications with the existing project. Team constants of the last sprint is another challenge of the project, and a few individual contribution details. To set up the development process, I've also taken part in the development process. I have developed the graphical user interface using HTML and CSS. My HTML design only defines the components of the view. The CSS element helps to provide the visual characteristics of the graphical user interface view, and this is some code snippets. So there is no backlogs in the sprint 2. All the proposed objectives have been achieved. No backlog is achieved, is due. And for future work in sprint 3, we will design a user interface which will allow to use FB Messenger within the application. We will design a user interface which will allow to use WhatsApp within the application. User will be able to share events and information on Facebook as well as in the eSpeak through the application. Thank you for listening. That's all from my side. So thank you for patiently